Hi everyone, welcome to Idea Mela. So in this video, I present to you yet another interesting innovation challenge. So this one is only for US people. So it's known as Dot Boards Challenge. So you just have to submit an idea for this competition. So it's an advanced robotic challenge. You help Dot advance the deployment of robotics in transportation. So you are asked to build upon recently released strategic report on state of robotics in transportation. So DOT is looking for innovative ideas on how advanced robotic technologies can solve public sector transportation challenges, improve the infrastructure, and keep travelers and workers safe. Whether you are proposing a creative new use for off-the-shelf platforms or proposing brand new tech, they want to hear from you. So the Dot Boards Challenge will be conducted in two stages. In the first stage, participants will submit concept papers to share their ideas for innovative uses of robotic technologies. Up to 5 stage 1 finalists will receive a prize of around 100,000 USD. These finalists will move to stage 2, during which they will might 1 year to develop and demonstrate a functional prototype of their solution. At the end of stage 2, one winner will walk away with a very big prize. So as you can see here, 10 lakh dollars. So these are the key dates. So you can submit till August 10, 2026. So if you like this video, please do like it and subscribe for more such interesting videos. You can subscribe to Idea Mela. So this is the Dot intake form which you need to submit. Thank you very much.